Good morning. Mic testing. Good morning. Mic testing. Morning, Nilesh. Yeah, gap up, Nilesh. Some 160 points are. So I think Bank Nifty can explode today. One is that State Bank of India is phenomenal. Sometime back, I think I was so much talking about PSU banks. Okay, so State Bank of India results should really boost Bank Nifty today, as well as HDFC. Also, there is a good some good reports has come by HSBC. So there are some big targets are being given for that also. As of now, Nifty 26th about it is no likely to close about around 26,920 or something like that, but we don't know. We will see. It's already running up some 250 points in pre-market, and we will wait for it to settle down. At least this three-time rejection, correct? The three rejections, should cross this year. Whatever happens, they should cross this line. Let us unlock it and put it exactly where it is. It should close now above this line, that is 374. Then only it will make another all-time high. Because the price, the reason is that each time it goes there, no? From here it went all the way from 308 to 391, 343. So almost 1000 points. But it came down to 710. Okay. So around 600 point it fell. Again it picked up the same 600 points, went up to 357. But from there, now it fell almost what? 1800 points. Okay. So now let us try to change this. Morning Anil Kumar, morning Sujesh. I'm trying to set the Fibonacci retracements. So From the bottom now, it is looking, once it crosses 942, 942 can be the today's resisting point. If it has to cross 942, 937 or around 940, then only 374 can come. We need to see where the market closes today. It should close above 943, around 940. Let us keep that. Then the further movement will come. Otherwise, it will slowly again crawl up to ATH. And what time is it now? But Friday it has made after a long time. No, but it is not sustaining. You can see the long candles are not getting sustained. I mean, long alignment candles. It was here from October to some time, and then there is all from January it is falling. Now again it has made an alignment. Let us hope the alignment continues on the day chart. Okay, then probably we will have a good up move and the ATH may be taken out. Morning, Mail. Morning, Param Rao. See, today Bank Index is likely to fire up. Okay, if you go and watch my videos earlier, I also talked about PSU banks doing well, but they don't have an impact, but they have a sentimental impact on Bank Nifty index. So I was looking at Canara Bank and couple of other things. So they have now started getting enormous amount of fixed deposits on their from rural branches, etc. So what is that driving? Is the GST low is driving more money. If you see the branches of PSU banks only are there in semi-urban and rural. Okay. If you take any small city of 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs, you will have one private bank, two private banks. Now 3-4 private banks may be there, but only one branch are in that entire place. But you will see the PSUs, there will be so many branches, and still there is a much more credibility and belief if it is a government bank, correct? Especially at semi-urban and rural centers. So now their liquidity is beginning to improve. In fact, HDFC loan to deposit ratio also is improved. Okay, what they call is LDR. That was what mentioned in HSBC. They say the HDFC bank has got a very good this thing. But State Bank of India and Canara Bank, Bank of India, PNB, I think all this will start getting more and more money due to the GST cut. That at the bottom level will only help the PSU banks. So those who are holding PSU banks more than the private banks, correct? They should continue to hold, because at least 3-4 quarters, that is my view. I've done some LA for bank audits also. My view is that PSU banks will have a very good year this year. Okay. No stock specific. Otherwise, SEBI will call me. So I'll be just back. Let me check whether. Morning, Datta. Morning, Shibujan. Okay, are you new to this channel, Shibu? And where are you from? If you are new. Morning, Pratap. Okay, Shibu, let me give you a video because this is not a buy sell call channel basically. This is a trade setup channel where you can, by having some understanding about what is there, you should be able to trade on your own without my commentary. That is the idea behind this channel. Okay, so let me attach one video, have a look at it and come back. Okay, and spend some time today, and around 3 o'clock we will have a session for you. I am noting down your name. You are from which part? Obviously I think you are from Kerala. Kerala, you already said. Which part of Kerala? Oh, okay, Tiruvalla. How long you have been trading? Near Alleppey, fine. No, how long you have been trading? Oh, just 1 year, no problem. So I have attached that video. Just have a look at it and come back. Spend the day with us. Then around 3 o'clock, we will have the session. Okay. So let us check out. I'm pretty sure commodity sector all must be green. All, so bank nifty, see, 1.14%. Sheerly, let us see which are all gone up. Okay, and which one is nifty? Consumer durables, IT at least turning positive. Auto almost 0.5%. I think most of this thing seems to have a good run up today. Heavyweights, Reliance 0.5, HDFC Bank 3, okay, 3 rupees, Bharti Airtel 12, TCS, Infi, ICICI 7, L&T, State Bank of India 5.03%. Such a massive this thing. I told no, State Bank of India very good results. I'm pretty sure all those who are having PSU banks, they will be enjoying the ride now. So let me bring up Bank Nifty view. So it is starting at 805, 60,805. Okay. So straight away the CPR will be somewhere here only, around 138 max. It can be around 158 maximum, because it is not a very broad CPR other day. So 8, it is beyond R5. Oh, it is starting here somewhere. So we will wait. We will wait now how the Nifty reacts. So 195, 888. First, I think in the first rush itself, it will try to touch 26,000. That is my view. Given that Bank Nifty is also pushing up, there is no negative news as such. Okay. So around 26,000 we can expect. Okay. So let me. If the Nifty goes to 26,000 in first 1 or 2 minutes, no. Hello, George. Once, George, I'll be back to you in a minute. Just give me a couple of minutes. I will just set couple of things. Then no, you can. Just give me a couple of minutes. See, those who are trying to do scalping, etc., and all, no, there will be definitely one rejection at 26,000. So if anywhere it goes near, with a very, very close trailing stop, scalping can be done on PE side at 26,000. But if 26,000 is taken away by one big candle, correct, you put it in a lower time frame, 1 minute or 2 minutes like that, and keep looking whether it is making lower high in 1 minute candle in index. There you go. Straight away it is starting there, and then oh god, see the amount of drop it made. I was about to say that it will make. It has already dropped 100 points straight away from 22,000. Okay, so don't get into this. Anyway, George, where are you from? You are from Kerala. Oh, George, there is how long you been trading, George? One year, super. So there is a video that is attached to the comments. Okay, just have a look at it. Around 3 o'clock we will have the session. This is a trade setup channel only, not a buy sell call channel. So I am noting down your name also. There is already Shibu, Kerala, 1 year. So 3 p.m. we will have the session. Just that is only a 9 minutes video. You can have a look at it and come back and join, so that you will have a broad view. And by 3 o'clock, whatever doubts you have, in that session, most probably that will get cleared. Okay, both to Shibu and George, don't do trading immediately. Kind of understand. Morning Sai. Spend some time, do some paper trading, see whether this setup works for you. Because there is a human element, correct? We can't be machine like trading. So spend some time on use some paper trading. You continue to do your old system, but do some paper trading based on this indications, gates that we talk about in this trade setup. If that is fine for you, it is working for you, then you can put your hard-earned money. So before that, get it tested, correct? Whether it suits your style of trading, basically. Oh. I was like this thing. I was looking at 26,000. This thing now. I thought it will stay above 25,900, but now it seems that. Even 900 is becoming a challenge. Just watch out for the puts. I'm already entering. So wait for me to get some, see whether any representative call is there. Okay. See, the alignment is not there, but good thing is top 10 shares is in long. I was not watching it since I was setting these things up. Okay, maybe Nifty may spend some time, and Bank Nifty is 500 points already up, and Sensex is 400 points. So remember, tomorrow is your expiry. Morning Sanjoj, morning Suresh, Sekhar, morning Pradeep. BNF did not comes down, sir. Yeah, that. But we will see. We have to wait. Now it may spend some time. There will be. We'll see. Other day we saw now 25,800. There was a lot of call rating. Correct. See, there is enough call rating in 25,800. That is why immediately they brought it down. Immediately it came down. If it has opened around 900, no, these call raters would have run for cover and Nifty would have went up to 26,000. Anyway, as of now, 26,000 is a resisting point. Okay. And 25,500 is your this thing. Again, it has moved to 500 to 26,000. We have to watch this. If they start writing more and more put, then the market will go up. If they continue to write more, see, as of now they are writing more put today. So 72 lakhs for 47 lakhs of call, and once more puts are there than the call, then the Nifty will start moving towards 900 and that. There might be a stoppage of the commentary after 1 o'clock if an engagement matures. Otherwise, there is an appointment. If that matures, that will be by 1 o'clock. I will close today and then try to close that for Shubhu and George around 1. Then we will finish, close. Otherwise, I'll continue as usual. Morning Kumar, morning Vinu Nair, morning Abhishek. Now patiently wait for umpteenth time. Let me repeat. The main function, morning Nias, the main function of the stock market is to take the money from impatient people to give it to patient people. Okay, it is your choice to be in which slot you want to be. We are not seeing any strength on both because there will be definitely more decay today because of the time element. Tomorrow is your expiry. And this triangle which we started on last Wednesday, I think, see the money it is making. See the money it is making. 8,005, no, irrespective where the market went, let it go anywhere. The strangle buyers are simply sitting in a 8,000 rupees profit. This is what is really good about option selling. Of course, like bonus or a Donald Duck tweet and a trade deal can kill you because there the profits are unlimited. Like I say, 2/3 is option writer zone and 1/3 is only option buyer zone. But the option buyer's risk is limited to the premium he pays, not in the case of option seller. The same strangle, if it has been taken to the previous week on the budget, that fellow would have got killed. He would have been sitting in a loss of almost 55 to 60,000 rupees. Correct? Nifty IVP is very high. Is it taking right to take trade now? IVP. VIX you are telling. Why it is only 12 no? Implied you are talking about VIX or which IVP for which strike price or anything you want to talk? Pratap? It is 12 only, correct? 12 is, and PCR also I saw I was not very. IV percentile you are talking about. I need to check that. That is because of the gap up, no? 74 now, okay. Let me check that. Call side looks dead for now. Put side no signal. No, both are. See, once Nifty starts to make inside candles, no, that is the time the decay will be there. Good amount of decay on your option premium prices. If the as we go to -1 or the 0 day on the expiry, no, Nifty staying in one point for more than half an hour or 10 or 15 minutes, the Nifty option premiums will start to collapse. That is when the decay due to time value will start peaking. Yeah, Surya, top 10 charts is going down. It is neutral. But we see we have got only traffic lights, correct? Basically, that is why. See what this setup is helping us is it made a big candle. So the normal tendency would be to think no, now Nifty will take the morning high immediately. It will go up, etc., etc. But our chart is saying wait, Nifty is not going up anywhere. Because we have got traffic light, there is top 10 charts which is in red, and from long the overall neutral, Nifty has come down to neutral. So all is indicating that it is not going to be in a positive. Whether negative side will come or not, that is different. But at least I am not ready to go up. If at all those who are saying no, I have to have a trade and all, wait for it to cross R5. And remember the rule on R5, correct? R5 and S5. So many times we have seen that it will be very, very difficult to cross that and sustain above that for long. Unless and until there is a black swan event or a news-based movement on the Nifty. So it is sitting at R5. That is why even though it tried to open at above this R5, boom, it came down to R5. So now wait. Now the rejection may happen and Nifty may come down to R3, which is around 130 points down. And so 150 points is almost will take away the entire gain for the day. But let us draw our standard box line before somebody tells me, sir, draw that. So even if it comes down during the day, there will be one stop in between. It won't simply come down to R3 from there. Okay. So 770. Ideally, Nifty can spend some time here between 837 and 770. Not good signal for upside. Correct, sir. So I was over the weekend, at least I had some 3 people calling me from our group. I was happy. Okay. So one of the person was explaining what it is trying, what our trade system is trying to tell you is to stop you from entering bad trades. That's all. See, normally also you will be making, it is not that all your trades before this channel would have been bad or no. But what this channel will help you is all from your earlier lost trades, at least 50 to 60% of that will get eliminated, you will not enter. That itself will be more than sufficient. That's our view. Now the put side is coming. Let me keep a track on whether put side definitely develops into a. Let it go and sustain above the pivot point. Then you will know. Let it sustain. For those who are asking what is sustain, open the option chart, put it in a 1 minute candle, make it Akinashi, and see whether it is making the second minute green candle, then it is sustaining. It should be making a clean green candle. So you know what is a clean green candle in Akinashi. If it makes it, then you can take it for granted that it is sustaining. If it is making a doji at first minute itself, forget it. Wait for a clean green candle on the option price chart. What is 770? Oh, okay. You want, okay. 770 may not come, Suresh. For you to, for long, don't enter now, because see, despite gap up everything, yesterday itself last 5 candles was giving us, you can see the red dots in yesterday's, that is on Friday's closing candles, that it was saying that it is not, no, there will be some turnaround. Okay, of course there is gap up, but immediately we started getting traffic signal and market going down. It will test your patience in the first half today. The movements can start coming around 11 o'clock in my view. It was already there, Mail. So, see, call is already gone. Now, whether Nifty will, put side will develop strength or not is only the question. You said it may try to come. Yeah, oh, yes, Suresh. What I was trying to tell you is between R3 and R5, no, there will be intermediate stop. So, there is yellow line is also there. Yellow line also may come and give some strength. And so, you patiently wait. So, let it cross 178. $25,800 call selling. They are writing both. More than call, Mail, they are selling more put. You can see 95 lakhs they have sold, return call was written, and 1.26 crores is on the put side. So there is a possibility Nifty will move towards 25,900. So if option writers are thinking that 800 they are going to give up 800, what it means is that if you are taking a short position today, as soon as it comes near less than 25,770, that will be the ideal place. Unless and until it goes below that, then I mean actually now you will get that once around that only you will get an option to get in. Then 770 if it crosses again and goes up, then that will be your stop loss. See whether it is taking support at see how beautifully it is synchronized. Our yellow line meeting the candle and our price is exactly trying to stay there. So candle has to come down below yellow line for our pivot point to be crossed, because it runs on the APM and is also running on the back end of the entry point float. So this is what is now prevention, correct? Ideally, if you would have seen a red candle, then immediately people think, "अरे अभी 50 पॉइंट गिरेगा, हम 15 रुपया बना देंगे, 10 rupees we will make, 12 rupees we will make, 15 rupees we will make, and we'll take a short trade." But our trade setup is telling, wait, I am not ready to go up. I am also not falling. I am not going to fall because there is some yellow line is there which is going to stop me. If at all, we'll take a safe trade once the price goes either below 770 or below our yellow line. So it will teach you to wait. So wait. Don't put your money now. Any side. बट जो 24 घंटे घोड़े की ऊपर ही सवारी करने के लिए आते हैं उनके लिए तो ये ठीक नहीं है. द पीपल हु वांट टू बी ऑलवेज ऑन द हॉर्स टू सी वेदर आई एम गोइंग फॉरवर्ड और गोइंग बैकवर्ड एक्सेट्रा, that won't work for us. Our system will not be helping them. See, it just went to 180, I think max. That is what. Let me check. And then immediately it could not even sustain for 30 seconds. Went up to 182 for briefly and then immediately came down. Morning Josh, morning Ajay. Patience, patiently wait please. No trade. In a shorter time frame, Nifty is broken below our APML. If you are new to the channel, say hi. There is going to be a session. At least already 2 people have been confirmed. There will be a session around 3 o'clock. Either at 1 o'clock or 3 o'clock, depending upon my kind of an expected appointment. If you attend that, it will be good. Then it will be easy for you to using this trade setup channel. This is not a buy sell call channel. So look at the just say hi, subscribe and say hi, and then have a look at the video that is already attached to the message. Then we will have a session where all your doubts will get clarified. Either simple, in the same channel only I run the session. There is no separate session. Either if you are there continuously, either 1 o'clock or 3 o'clock, you will hear me first doing a roll call on for all those people who need the session. I'll take it and then you can ask all your questions there. Giridhar and we are you new to this channel, or I thought because there was one more Giridhar. You are new to this channel or you have already been there? Because now I'm getting lot of similar names. Okay. Fine, Giridhar. Then there is a video attached. No, you can just have a look at it. I thought you are the one who was selling, or basically you are a seller, correct? Option seller. Where are you from, sir? I don't remember to have seller, correct? Yeah. From Andhra, is it? Salem, yeah, okay. But this is purely, the setup is only for intraday selling, Giridhar. And of course, we do provide, no, we do for the people to understand, both for buying and selling perspective, a representative straddle or a strangle that is there already there in the chart. So, as expected, 837 to 777, maybe within by 10:30 itself, I may end up drawing a rectangular box. In the smaller time frame, it was making some red dojis, okay, and then now it is started to make some again green candle. They will write more and more 800 put. Once to the level that that has been reached, then maybe they will let the index grow. Beautifully yellow line supported, eh? That is the Akshay Patra magic yellow line, magic line. It went below 800 and then immediately recovered, Nifty. So it made a low of exactly 780, exactly 780. That almost 777 is our number, 772. It came down to 780 and then boom. I have a feeling that Nifty should try to test 26,000 at some point, either today or tomorrow. If this time, if it doesn't try to break and go towards ATH, no, then it is problem. Then it is problem. Above 204, there is a scalping opportunity if the Nifty continues, but of course, let it cross this. There is no point in having that, because it is showing some strength. That is this call. 650 call is showing some strength. But how far it will go, I don't know. Okay, gold. So let me pull up that chart. Suraj, we do have a chart, no layout, correct? So where we are tracking gold. Silver is not a fully matured layout what we currently have, but gold definitely. I'm trying to find out where is that my layout. So many things it got. Just give me a couple of minutes. Let me set it up. So this is what is Suraj. This is on gold. Uh, you asked correct. So this is gold. So now it is trying to today on a day chart. We are on a day chart Ekinashi. Today it has to close above this CPR 152578. Okay. Or I don't know exactly. 1 second. Yeah, 152676. Please note down that. As long as gold is above and it closes above today, and also currently it is trading above our APML, that is 154891. You can take both 154891 above. As long as that is above, it is really good, again bullish kind of a thing. But if it goes below 152676, all your calls are off, long side trades are off. Okay. Morning, Sudarshan. Patiently wait. There is a scalping opportunity between 204, 206 and 230 on the call side. But further, let it make one clean green candle above our yellow line, then go for it. Otherwise, no. I Suresh, call side technically about 231. I also said from 204 there is a scalping. If you are entering, you should ideally speaking above this red line only is a good entry. From here to here, it's your risk. That's all. Family is trying to buy physical gold, so should we wait for it? Was uh, gold at this point of time. See, we do also have gold futures, okay? Gold futures. And I said we have stopped it last 2 weeks back, 1 week, 2 weeks back. We stopped our triggers and tradings because on a day the candle sizes are really big compared to past. And when if you are against the trade, that is, let us assume you are long and gold is falling, it is not giving exits, meaning the price from 1 lakh and 52,000 top, next second it is 1 lakh and 47,000, next second it is 1 lakh and 36,000. So suddenly on a one lot of 67,000 rupees, meaning 60 to 70,000 rupees is vanishing in thin air. That is the main reason we stopped. They say, of course, there are trades. If you go and look at our Telegram, you'll find a lot of positive trades also. The risk is very high for long term holding. Also, I think you should buy it in piecemeal. That is, now every month you should spread it to 3 to 6 months and then buy it in parcels. That would be good. Not to go on bulk, as a trading, it is not a good time to buy. Okay, in the sense that you don't know where you will get hit. For investment, yes, every month you can keep adding and average it out. Correct. family is trying to, can we enter see, thanks, a top 10 indicator is not giving, yes. Where is you? We don't know. We can only check which one is dragging the market. Reliance, HDFC Bank surprisingly is pulling the market down. Infi, ICICI Bank, all private banks. Maybe the money is moving from the private banks to State Bank of India. That can be the reason in my view. So short side, long side, short side, it is playing games. So even if in the short side, we wait for it to sustain above that. Okay. Does it have any significance? Yes, see, Tom, we have 3, 4, 5 gates, correct? It is not just one gate. It is one of the aspect is telling you I am below a kind of a cluster average. The table is telling my price action wise, the option, the downside option or the put options are not having any strength because it has not crossed pivot. From the monitor momentum monitor perspective, if you see below, the color is traffic signal, meaning it is a mixed signal. There is no total red alignment like this. For example, if you see here, correct, that is yesterday around 12:25 to, I mean, almost from, yeah, 12:25 you got alignment and then market started to fall down. So this alignment is not there here now. So just only one gate, that is which is below a clean red candle below or yellow line, that is the only thing is that gate is ticked, I mean on. Now we have to wait for the either price or no alignment here, or of course these two is good. Again, top 10 shares and Nifty overall status is short. So 1, 2, 3 gates are open. Price is not yet open, and the overall momentum meter is still in gray. That is neutral. That is in the right side corner. You can see here. Okay. If everything, when it will come, usually below 777. If at all you take now, anybody who is taking any short positions, as soon as the price comes anywhere near the yellow, our magic line, you should close. That's all. Oh, thanks, Sudarshan. I didn't see that. Learn to be patient. From 209 to 231, as I said earlier, from 203 to 203 to 230, there is always some scalping. Okay. I think a lot of clarifications I think we are getting from the Ministry of Commerce on the trade deal. So, Indian motor sector, two-wheeler you are saying. Just I'll be back in couple of minutes. This one message. Four-wheeler. Any on Indian motor sector on shares, correct? Or you are asking about real cars? We have only what? Hyundai, Maruti, Mahindra, Tata, correct? All four of them will definitely, in 1 year down the line, 1 year down the line, will have some challenges because the import price for the European cars has come down drastically. The American companies like Chevy or Ford, etc., did not succeed in India because they don't have small cars. Okay, the minimum size car was that one Ford Focus or No, if you go to US, you won't find small cars at all. So their market, their manufacturing, everything is totally unsuitable for Indian conditions. India is sub 10 lakhs and no cars only very popular, and they are not strong at all, the American companies. But the European companies are exactly opposite. They have smallest of car, small car. No, you got that Fiat, the Mini Cooper, and Beetle, Volkswagen Polo, Renault, and Citroen. So many small subcompact cars, and they are designing everything is usually liked by Indian this thing. No, Volkswagen. If you take Volkswagen, Audi, and all their Benz, everything European design is very popular in India. So once they start bringing in subcompacts less than 10 lakh cars, already I think Renault is very well established. You can see that's a kind of a European brand only. It may not be as big as Hyundai or anything, but they are very big. Their Triber or you can see Quid, etc. So many cars, Renault, Datsun, and Nissan, all one company only. Their brands cars are selling. Now their SKD kits will be knockdown kits will be much cheaper. I don't know what is how much competition they will get. But one thing is, Europe is not an SUV country. The caveat to it, and let me tell you the other caveat. Europe is not an SUV country. Europe is still a sedan and small car country. You will not find much big SUVs there. But India is already moving up to the SUV. So it is kind of mixed bag for all automobile industry, in my view. Okay. Yeah, it is making attempt, but I don't think it ever made at 231 year. It is far far below. The maximum it went gone is only 219. Yeah, there is no trade signal at any level, Sudarshan. Just a second.